Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with Craving Crochet. Thank you so much everyone for coming back to my humble little Craving Crochet channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today is Vintage Wednesday for September 1st, 2021. Do you believe we're in September? Wow, that summer just flew. It got some wings and it flew away. So we are quickly approaching the fall season. And I have picked a beautiful and very simple, I believe it's very simple pattern for our next vintage crochet, our vintage crochet along. And this is I think this is gonna be easy, and I think a lot of people will participate in this because it's really quick. I think it's really quick. I am wearing a hat. This is a little clue of what we're gonna be doing, but it's a vintage hat. And here is the pattern, and it is called Floppy Brim Hat. And this pattern I found this pattern years ago on a website called Groovy Crochet. And it originally was submitted to the website back in, it says 8/14/1999. So probably August 14th, 1999. So this has been, this website does not exist anymore. If you look up Groovy Crochet, you won't be able to find it unless they move the domain name. They change the domain name. I have no idea. But this is one of the patterns, and I had a feeling, I thought, because it looked like an old website when I found these patterns. I have a whole collection from this Groovy Crochet. And when I found them, I thought, wow, these are cool. These are all vintage, and I love vintage stuff. So when I found this website, they had all these patterns, so I downloaded, I saved them all. I didn't download them, I just copied and pasted them, and I saved them all on my computer, and here it is. I've got it now. It's free. I found it. It was free when I found it, and I've actually seen this pattern on some websites. People are actually selling it, this pattern, so don't pay for it. Download it free from my Facebook, Craving Crochet. I'll leave the link below. And I hope you try it out. It looks really simple. It just basically is, I was looking at the pattern today. It's got like a crown on the head, which you can't really see, and then it's got granny squares, and then a brim. And you can do it in two colors, but I don't think you have to do it in two colors, but it would be much prettier, I think, in two colors. Yeah. So I'm wearing the Fedora hat because the theme of the next vintage project will be a hat. This hat I made from one Virtuous woman. She is a crafter. She does all kinds of crafts. She's awesome if you haven't heard of her. She does tons of stuff, different things, not only crochet, but she does have a tutorial on this, and this is one of the hats that I made from her YouTube channel. So I'll put the link for this tutorial below if you're interested in making a fedora. But I would really love it if you would join me in doing this vintage crochet floppy hat with brim. This was submitted by somebody named Marion back in 1999 on Groovy Crochet. And I've got the pattern, and I would love it if you would do it with me. I'll leave the link below for where you can get the pattern, and we shall see if we shall see how everyone's hat turns out and how easy it is. Leave me a comment if there's anything you'd like to comment on in this video. I would love it if you would give me a like and share this if you know anyone that is a vintage crochet enthusiast that loves to collect patterns the way I do. and yarn and all that other good stuff. But anyways, here it is. It is the floppy brim hat. Easy project, great for this time of year. I hope you join in with this crochet along. We'll talk soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.